Hello, welcome to a Teach to Learn Foundation video. We're going to talk about bonding today. Why do atoms bond? Atoms bond to achieve a group 18 noble gas configuration. These are the most stable gases and they're not reactive. There are like four major types of bonds: ionic, covalent, metallic, and hydrogen. First, we'll talk about ionic. Ionic bonds are between a metal and a nonmetal. The nonmetal accepts electrons and forms a negative ion. To think about this, you can just think about getting more negative. The metal gives up electrons and forms a positive ion. Covalent bonds. Covalent bonds can be equal or unequal sharing, and this determines polarity. Coordinate covalent bonds are when one atom gives up two electrons to the other one. Metallic bonds are most recognizable by mobile electrons. They make it so they can conduct electricity and are very ductile, which means they can be rolled into sheets. Next, hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are a very specific aspect of water, although they occur in other substances such as hydrogen fluoride. It is between two poles of the molecule and bond polarity. The difference in electronegativity between the bonded atoms determines polarity. A difference of 0.5 or less is nonpolar, although 0.5 is kind of differing. Ionic bonds are always polar, and covalent bonds can be either polar or nonpolar. So let's practice with some questions. 1. What is the total number of electron pairs shared between the two atoms in an O2 molecule? O2 is a Brinkelhoff atom, which means it only exists in a diatomic, which means there's two of them in natural. So oxygen has 6 valence electrons, which means it's going to need 2 in order to get a valence shell of 8. So you're going to end up getting, it's going to have to share 2 pairs. Let's go to our next question. Which molecule has a non-polar covalent bond? So to approach these questions, a very quick way of doing it is just to see which bonds are covalent and which ones are ionic. Here, all the bonds are covalent, but the difference, electronegativity, is 0 with number 1, which is indisputably nonpolar. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.